Nĩ ngatho mwena wa studio noguo atarĩria nĩ atĩ haha ndĩrĩ na arutwo a thukuru wa Egerton University gũkũ mwena wa Njoro kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru. Nemwe kwemwe tũigue thĩna wĩgiĩ mbeca kana kĩgĩna kĩa mathomo kĩa university funding model gĩkoretwo gĩkĩagagia arutwo aya kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩrĩa gĩkoretwo kuo kuma rĩrĩa thirikari yagarũrire mũtaratara ũyũ wa mathomo. Labda moja kwa moja utuelezee shida ambazo mmekuwa nazo na hii funding model ambayo imekuwa kwa miaka kadhaa ambayo tumekuwa nayo.
Kwa majina naitwa Mayaka Brian. I'm a student at Egerton University. I'm from the Faculty of Education and Community Studies. One thing I want to comment about the funding model. Actually, for me, I call it uncouth because it's unfair. Since some parents and comrades are struggling to pay the fees, some comrades were categorized in wrong bands. A comrade is categorized in band 5 and the income of the parent is very zero. Comrades Ria. Comrades Ria. We want to say this thing is uncouth. If the government wants this funding model to be fair, let them increase the upkeep funds and they maintain upkeep funds, but the scholarships of the students in universities and the fees of the students in universities maintain that one of the old funding model. Yeah. Thank you, son. Comrades Ria. Comrades Ria.
Comrades Power. Comrades Power. Manze, hii funding model imeleta issues kadhaa. Ukiangalia watu wajapata help. Watu wanalia huku nje. Watu hawana hata nyumba zao, wengine wamefungiwa. Comrades are suffering, they don't have even food in their houses. Yani juu ya hii funding model yenye it's uncouth, it's not even fair for the comrades. Si ndio? Manze ama mani aje comrades. Manze watu wanasafa huku nje yenye si fiti. Inafaa hii government waangalie tena waone vile sisi kama comrades tunaweza fanya. Si ndio? Comrades Power.
Labda tusikie kutoka kwako kwa kifupi, utuambie challenges binafsi ambazo umepitia. Songa tu kidogo tusikie challenges ambazo umepitia wewe binafsi kama mwanafunzi wa chuo kikuu.
Okay, thank you. I'm Ogolocheng David, a student from Egerton University. Me personally, I've suffered due to new funding model.
Last but not least, I want to put crystal clear to this institution and all comrades in the country to come together and demonstrate for this, because this is something that will affect us and will also affect the generation that comes just before us. Thank you very much.
Ngatho kiu nĩ kĩmoni gĩtheri na nĩ kuma kũrĩ arutwo a thukuru wa mathomo ma igũrũ wa Egerton University, na nĩ uge wao na nĩ uge waku kuma gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nakuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.